enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, that's your chance to be ruthless.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing, and I am excited because my eyes first went right to extreme bass. So guys, this is Motor Boom. Extreme bass, 50 watt, louder volume, AUX input to easily connect non-Bluetooth devices, Type-C charging, extreme bass, multi-sync technology, connect multiple Bluetooth speakers at one time. What? Oh man, I am excited, my friends. Let's get opening this up. Now, normally I'm a man that loves small and compact stuff with lots of features, but that extreme bass has me very curious. We're gonna actually put this thing to the test and see if they actually can back it up. You know, it says extreme bass. Well, my friends, we're gonna find out, aren't we? Oh, this is this is pretty cool so far. All right, we don't need this. What are these things doing on our table? Whew. 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 All right, guys. So check this out. Look at this. You can hold it. That is pretty cool. You can grab it with one hand, grab it with two hands. You can lift this up. Oh man. So on the back here, let's open this up. You have a Type-C port, you have AUX port, and a USB port. Multi-system pairing. It goes over some stuff for pairing multiple devices. Oh, that's pretty cool. Here we go. Let's peel this off. You guys love when we do this. I tell you what, this feels heavy duty. I mean, this is not your typical, I mean, I'm going to try and be quiet. Listen to this when I shake this. There is nothing, absolutely nothing loose in this. Nothing. Wow. Okay, so on the top we have a power button, X bass, play pause, Bluetooth, plus minus. So without further ado, press and hold the power. All right. We pressed and held the power button. It's blinking. I wonder if we should, we're going to plug this in just in case it's low battery. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Oh, let's see here. Got our nice power bank. That's a nice thing. You guys can charge this with a power bank, you know, portable power bank, solar power bank. All right, now we got it plugged in. It's charging. Let's see. All right, guys, so there was two Motor Boom that came up. One wouldn't connect, the other one connected. So, you know, I just had to figure that out. Now that we are connected, we'll turn the volume. Make sure the volume's down before you actually start. Oh, wow. So we can actually see the volume as we press the button. It controls our phone volume. And we control this with our phone. That's awesome. All right, we're going to go ahead and find a song here.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. to my best. So treat the worst of times like a test.
Alright, so that's a copyright-free song. You know, you're allowed to use that audio, and this has X bass, so when you press it, it brings on the full bass setting, and then when you press it again, it actually takes it off. You still have a little bit of bass, so this is with the bass off. So we can play and pause by pressing this.
Only I could go back in time. I tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like.
Alright, so we're now going to turn on the bass.
Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, that's your chance to be ruthless.
Alright, that's enough of that. Whew, I got my workout for the day. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on this. Alright, the bass is good. The bass pumps. It is super loud. I mean, super loud. So when you have your volume maxed out, people are going to hear this from a long ways off. So, which is great. That means, you know, you're at a party, they're going to hear it downstairs and upstairs. Overall, this is really nice. The build quality is nice. The bass is good. The treb is, you know, super loud. The controls are simple. You know, we can, let's see here. We can, I think we can skip songs. Yes, if you press and hold.
I'm stuck in this infinite time loop thing. So tough.
Yep. If you press, I think press and hold, you can go, you know, forward and back. Probably a lot more settings in the manuals. Check them out, guys. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy.